This video shows you how to download and install Gameloop full version for low-end PC, which is the best emulator for your PC. So let's start. First step is to open your Chrome browser and type gameloop.com. The first website that appears in front of you, open it. From here, you are supposed to download Gameloop 32-bit as it gives the maximum performance on a low-end PC. So you will wait for the setup to download. And once the setup is downloaded, you will have to open its location. And then install the Gameloop from there by opening it. And you will have to customize the installation in which folder you have to install the Gameloop. Locate that folder and install the Gameloop. And the installation will start, so you will wait for it to install. It is a bit slow process, but wait for it. Alright, the Gameloop is installed. Now we will open the Gameloop and show you how it works. There are several of games in the Gameloop home section. You can download any game you want from there. If you don't find it there, you can also search it in the library. And in the library you will find massive number of games. You can download any game you want. I also want to download a PUBG mobile game, so I will download here. And I will show you how to download it. And it will start downloading. So we will wait for it to download. Till then, it's all for now. Make sure to subscribe the channel and like the video. Bye.